Hi everyone. Just got news that India is getting 6th rank in the world economy. India will be 6th largest economy in the world. Prior it was 4th and we are expecting India will be 3rd largest economy in coming 1 or 2 years. But now situation has been changed. So what is your opinion? Just put your comments in the message box because as per the World Surveyor and institutions, they are telling that there is majorly 3 or 4 reasons to uh, getting 2 step down in the world largest economy ranking. Reason number one, rupees is not performing well in the against dollar. Number two, uh, Middle East war, USA Israel versus Iran. Third, GST reform, which I think so was a good decision of Indian government. And fourth is basically that financial year comparison has been changed by the Indian government around 1 decade, as far as I know. So, but I think so. This is the half truth. Might be the basically Western media is giving Western media or Western agencies or institutions, they are giving lower ranking to India because we are growing very fast, and then they don't want to publish the Indian or India strong image in the world. Just like some days before, the USA senator told to world that we are not giving the same leeway or room to India, uh, which they given to China 2 or 3 decades before. So they are thinking that India is the opponent for them, and they are uh, just want to publish the lower image of India. It could be the reason, but it is just a thought. This is might be true or not. I am not sure. Uh, but remember one thing: India's statement in thousand is that Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, whole world is the family, and family uh, love peace. So India and Indian people, they love peace, and peace is the only thing. That's why we do the respect to the living and non-living thing, our nature, every human being and all the living things, because we have to make world peaceful. So trust on India, Indian people. We are your friend, not your enemy, or never be.